Hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to read the book Maisy Goes to the Movies. Oh, I like going to see movies. What about you? Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I'm an AAC therapist and SLP, and I have been for the past 9 years. Today we're going to read the book Maisy Goes to the Movies, like we said, and I will be providing aided language input using the WordPower vocabulary on a word wall poster from Satillo. Alright, let's get ready to go. We're going to start. I'm going to open our book. Oh, we see the inside cover. Can you see? I got this book from the library. I love going to the library. Maisy goes to the movies. I wonder, is the ostrich going to go to the movies with her? Today, Maisy and her friends are going to the movies. Oh, I am so excited, says Tallulah. Can we buy popcorn? Asked Charlie. I love popcorn. I love popcorn too, especially whenever I'm watching a movie. There they go. They're going to go into the movie theater. How exciting. There are lots of different movies showing. Which one will they decide to see? Let's take a look at the different movies. There's Dusty the Cowboy. There's Hero in the Jungle, Sam's the Happy Shark, and then there's A Royal Romance. I wonder, which movie would you like to go watch? I think that I would like the Jungle movie. I love movies with animals in them. Maisy buys 5 tickets. So she gets 5 tickets for Hero in the Jungle. That was the movie that I said I would go to. And some snacks. It's always fun when we get to eat while we're watching the movies. Look at the penguins buy all of the popcorn. Popcorn, juice, and ice cream. Yum. Those do look like some delicious and good snacks to have while watching the movie. All right, let's turn our page. Maisy and her friends like adventure movies. And Troy T. Tiger, a very big movie star, is starring in this one. I bet they are so excited to go see that. Tickets, please. Show me your tickets. They have to show her their tickets so that they can get to go into the movie theater. And Maisy has the tickets in her hand. Wow, it's a big screen. Tallulah wants to sit in the middle, and Cyril wants to sit next to Maisy. Eddie and Charlie want to sit at the very front. When you go to the movies, where do you like to sit? I like to sit in the middle. The lights come down slowly, and the movie begins. Cyril doesn't like the dark theater. Don't worry, Cyril, says Maisy. You can hold my hand. That was something that was really nice of her, wasn't it? That was nice for her to be a good friend and have him hold her hand. That's my favorite movie star, cries Eddie, when Troy T. Tiger appears on the screen. Do you see him? There he is. Everything in the theater says, shh, or everybody in the theater says, shh, and quiet. Uh-oh. You are not supposed to talk loud in the movie theater because everybody wants to be able to watch and listen to the movie. This movie is so exciting and so funny. Charlie laughs so much that he knocked some popcorn on the floor. Oops. Have you ever knocked some popcorn on the floor? I have. It's okay when accidents happen. You just have to help clean them up. It's nearly halfway through the movie now. And Tallulah, she needs to go to the bathroom. Me too, says Cyril. Me three, says Eddie. So they go as fast as they can. And they wash their hands quickly. Because you always need to wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. Hurry, hurry, says Eddie. They don't want to miss anything. There's one very scary part when Troy T. Tiger meets a big, huge dinosaur. I would be scared too if I met a dinosaur. I can't watch, says Cyril. And he hides his head behind his hands so that he doesn't have to watch. Whew. It's a happy ending. Eddie shouts, I love Troy T. Tiger. And this time the audience says, hooray! Because the movie's over. So then it's okay to talk out loud. Afterward, Maisy and her friends talk about their favorite parts of the movie. What shall we do now? Asks Cyril. I know, says Eddie. What do you think the they'll do. Let's go see the movie again. I think they really did like it if they're going to go see it again. Do you like to see movies again and again? All right, that's the end of our story. Thank you for reading with me today. And if you liked this movie, please like it, comment, and share. Thanks.